Hi all. Today I'm going to show you how to use Antigravity and create a simple HTML website for a company, web design company, keep it that way, and use a shared hosting like Hostinger or GoDaddy to upload your website and host it. For this video purpose, I'm going to use Hostinger as the shared hosting, and I'm going to use socialviind.com, and you can see the files are empty and you can see the website is having nothing on it. So let's jump it on it. So now I've created a prompt with the basic skeleton and structure of what is needed for a 5-page HTML, like homepage, about us, services, and contact us page for a web design agency. And look at this: index, about, services, contact us. .environment file will have all your secrets, like in our case FTP ID and passwords. Gitignore will ignore the environment file so that it doesn't upload the file to the server. And agents is critical, that's the entry point, and that will have clear instructions of all what need to be done. Look at this. This is the entry point for the future AI coding agents working on this repo. It must contain complete project overview, current file structure, best practices. So in case if you're going to use another coding agent like VS Code, Copilot, or Cursor, then you should instruct that coding agent to first go and read Agents.md file, so that will have the basic structure. It doesn't need to go through the whole project. So now, so as of now, I've given all the instruction here, and I will share this on the description. I'm going to put it on the blog of mine and put it on the description. So if anyone wants to quickly have a template, just copy it and try using it, or just play with it. For now, I'm going to use the Planning and Gemini 3 Pro for this. Look at this, HTML underscore master prompt.md, and create me a website. Read, and that's it. Hit enter. Nothing else needed. That is going to analyze this whole document. Basically, that's a prompt, and it's going to create a plan based on this input prompt. Look at that. It has completed. Okay. Now check the UI on your browser. This way you can ask your agent to verify the UI of the website it is created. In case if some issues are there, it's going to fix it. Or we going to ask to fix it. Look at that. That is the first version of the website. And when you see this blue border, that means the AI is taking over the browser and it's checking out. Look at that. It's checking all the pages one by one. That's it. The blue button got disappeared. Look at that. That is one version of the website. And now let's ask. I'm happy with that. I'm going to deploy it, but just in case, I'm just going to ask. I like to have a darker version with some stunning animation, advanced, cool, professional looking animation on the hero section and make the whole website in dark background. I'm just uplifting it, just showing the other way of doing it. And there is another way that you can just go browse Google and you can go to Dribble. Dribble is a good website. Look at here. Homepage, web design, company. You just type whatever business you want and you will get something like this. So you can choose one what you like and take a screenshot or copy the image and paste it there on the AI agent and ask it to create one. It is going to create the similar website for you. That is another way of doing it. And it is still doing it. Look at the implementation plan. Dark mode, background, surface, accent, hero animation, replace some particles with high performance HTML5 canvas. Animation, look at the dynamic nodes and connecting lines reacting to mouse interaction. Let's see how it's going to be. Look at that. I like it. That is testing that. Antigravity with the Chrome browser. Look at the blue frame on it. It is taking screenshot. Actually, Antigravity does the testing, take screenshot and create a report. So I've done some other projects where I've asked extensively to create proper test reports. Look at this, all the pages, I like it. And now, let's go back to Antigravity. And it is generating the documentation. Look at this. You can play back it, the testing. Properly documents it. And you can see the walkthrough. It just go through everything. Okay, that's fine. Now, use the FTP details in dot environment file and upload the files to the server. Don't create any folder while uploading. Just upload it to the root. That's it. I've already given the FTP ID and password to these .environment files. This AI coding agent is going to use that and upload Look at that. It successfully deployed the website, the FTP server. And now if we can go to our hosting, refresh it, you can see these files are here and you can go to the website and ta-da, it's done. That's it. So that's the simplest and easiest way to design a simple website and upload using Antigravity on a shared hosting. You can use MySQL and use those credentials and create a PHP website with a database as well. I'll do it later. I have planned for it. For now, I'm signing off. Thank you very much. Please do like, subscribe, and share.